Hey everyone, I'm Ramesh Shaman. This is the first video of ASP.NET tutorial. Today I'm going to show how we're going to install VS 2013 into our systems. For that we have to go to uh, Microsoft website. Express. In here we can choose one from multiple choices. There is multiple choices like Express 2013 for web and Express 2013 for Windows. It have all the C++, C Sharp, Visual Basics, and even uh, Windows Phone SDK, and also have Windows Express 2013 for Windows desktop. So I'm going to choose Express 2013 for web. So I'm going to click on download. Now we are in installation page. uh, we can choose installation language, and we have two choices how we going to install. Install now is better when we only install into one systems. DVD ISO image is better when we have to install into uh, multiple machine. So I'm going to take install now, because I'm going to install into only one machine. Now you can select your package. There is Ultimate and Express 2013. I'm going to choose Express 2013, so I'm going to click on that. Okay. Now I can there is a we have to download this executable file. I'm going to do that like that. New Visual Studio include all new features to ease up the creating dynamic web pages in ASP.NET, and I'm I'm very impressed with this Visual Studio 2013, because it is very uh, easy to create web page with Visual Studio 2013. This take time more than I expect, so I'm going to pause the video. Here our file is downloaded. I'm going to open it. It will open the Visual Studio installation window. Now I already have Visual Studio in my machine, so here we go. So there is no installation button in here, but if you don't have already installed Visual Studio Express 2013, there will be an installation button. You only have to click on that, and next window you have to select where you're going to install Visual Studio. It is very basic stuff. So I'm going to wind up my tutorial for today. Uh, you can mail me, you can comment on video, you can subscribe my channel. Next video, I'm going to do a little ASP.NET uh, application, web application. So until then, goodbye.